All righty, time to go ahead and continue to work on our isometric drawing. So in Google Classroom, I have delivered, and I will have it projected during class, I have these 4 objects, object A, B, C, and D. I invite you, if you happen to have the modeling blocks, I know Group A doesn't yet, but most of B and C do, is quickly make it out of little blocks so you could already see it, or you can just kind of flip between my screen and or the activity along with this isometric drawing tool that's sponsored in part by National Council of Teachers of Mathematics. So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to have you for each object turn in 2 things. The first thing that you're going to be turning in is you could use whatever color you want, but you're going to build the object out of cubes. So there you go. I've already built the object. It was this one here that I quickly built, and then I saw it right here. It's object A. I now put it right there. I am going to do a Control Shift key above the 6 because I want a partial screenshot. I do not want a full screenshot. But there you go. I have it, and I'm going to go ahead and drop it in, and I'll move it to the appropriate area. So that if you wanted to do all of those, you could, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would now go in with the, hey, I'm going to draw it piece by piece. Today, I want to try to kick it up a notch. I want the whole surface, not each line, because to me, this is the top. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. It's really a top. Not 5 different pieces, but one top. And so if I go right here and I grab my, right here is the Create Line tool. This works similar to yesterday. You could use whatever color you want. I'm going to use black. And the way I look at it is, notice in this program, we have 3 shades of red. We have what I would call a nice red. We have a more like a scarlet, and then we got a really dark red. I am first going to draw the top, just the top. So I'm going to start at this corner here. And if I wanted to, I think I can actually use this object, but probably not. Maybe I shouldn't. And by the way, if we do make a mistake, we go to the eraser and we try to click on that and we can delete it. So here we go. I'm going to go back to my line tool. 1, 2, or I know I could string it. I now have 1, 2, 3 for this backside. 1, 2, 3. I can hit a click. Now I have 1, 2 for this. So I am right now building just the top. And there we go. I have it. There's no lines. It is one complete surface. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the side here. I see the side. It's 2 blocks. So I'm going to go down. I'm going to go over 2 and up 1 or down 1. So now I've got this. This is a side. It's really 2. If I was to draw it with the line here, I would just go back with my eraser, try to take away that line. I see this square. I also see this square. And it still doesn't look quite right because look, I have this line right here. So we're going to draw that line, just 1 down. And then I have that line. So as you see, I have these 2 objects here. They're ready to go. I've already taken a picture of this one. I drew this one a little close. So, oh, by the way, let me show you one other thing. You can hit inspect. Kind of cool. You can see that one is 3D, the other is 2D. Kind of funky, isn't it? You could hit reset view and it just returns you where you are. Go back to create. Let's say I want to get rid of the red here, the blocks. I just click them. Now I'll do my Control Shift key above the C. I'm on a laptop, so it's a little different. Bada bing, bada boom. Control V to paste it because it's already on my clipboard. There you go. Whoop, whoop. This guy is awesome. So what you're going to do is you're going to do this for object A, B, C, and D. If you finish all 4, let me know. If you're in class, if you're at home online, you can let me know. And if you finish it at home, you can call it a day a little earlier. If we don't get all of them done, that's fine. We're going to try to get through it. This just takes time. Everybody's in a different part of the adventure here. So let's have a go at it. Let's get her done.